First time mo ba mag-out of the country as a tourist? Here's my quick airport guide. So ideally, dapat nasa airport ka na between 2 to 3 hours kasi usually mahaba yung pila sa airline counter at saka sa lalong-lalo na sa immigration. So here are my list of the steps na usually pagdadaanan mo when you fly out of the country. So pagdating mo sa airport, dun ka magpababa sa departure area and then hahanapin ng guard yung plane ticket mo at saka yung passport mo to see if nag-match yung name sa passenger. And then, pag nakapasok ka na, you will check yung flight mo sa flight monitor kung hindi ba siya canceled, kung hindi ba siya delayed, and then kung okay naman, i-check mo na if open na ba yung airline counter para makapag-check-in ka na. And also, you will go you will get your travel tax, which is 1,620, and then proceed ka na sa airline counter. Dito sa airline counter, kukunin mo yung, mag-check-in ka na, they will issue your boarding pass and dun ka din mag-check-in luggage. And then, minsan, nakahiwala yung visa checker, especially if yung destination mo is required yung visa. But usually, kasama na siya doon sa airline counter ang pag-check ng visa mo. And they will check your passport and your travel tax. And pag okay naman na, i-issuehan ka na ng boarding pass. So once you get your boarding pass at pag na-check-in mo na yung luggage mo, proceed ka na sa immigration. And then sa entrance ng immigration, i-check lang ng guard yung passport mo at saka boarding pass kung nag-match ba yung name mo. And then, papapasukin ka na and then pipila ka na sa immigration. And then you should also have your e-travel. This e-travel replaced the departure card. So you should get this, or you can get this 72 hours or 3 days prior to your flight to get the e-travel QR code. So ang gagawin mo is if you fill in mo lang yung mga flight details mo, so you can get the e-travel QR code. And matitrace yun ng mga immigration officer if you accomplished an e-travel. So, pag nasa immigration officer ka na, you will just present your passport, your boarding pass, and then you can also insert your round-trip plane ticket. Itong mga susunod na mga list ng documents, if hihingin lang siya. But usually sa mga first-timer, hinihingi talaga siya. Like the hotel booking, detailed itinerary of travel, proof of source of income. Like, for example, if you are a business owner, then you will have to present your business registration and your tax return. Or pag employed ka naman, you will have to present your certificate of employment and approved leave of absence, mga ganon. And also, if you are a government employee, you will need to show the authority to travel. So, usually, ito yung mga basic questions ng immigration officer na dapat kabisadong-kabisado mo, like the back of your hand. Like pag tinanong ka, is masasagot mo kaagad siya without hesitation. Like for example, they will ask you, what's your destination? Where are you going? So dapat alam ka agad where you are going, what country. What is the purpose of your travel? Masabi mo kaagad without hesitation, for vacation, for holiday, for tourism. So, who are you traveling with? They ask this kasi some people are like become victims of human trafficking. So, if you are traveling with your significant other, dapat meron kayong mga proof na if you're in a relationship or if If relative, dapat meron kang mga proof. And then pag sinabing how many days are you staying in that country, dapat mabilis ka makapagsagot, like let's say 10 days. And then susundan pa ng when are you coming back? Kasi dapat yung return date mo, yung sinabi mo, magmamatch doon sa sinabi mo na ilang days ka doon. So, marami pa silang mga questions, but I will expound or elaborate that in the separate video. And then, once makalagpas ka na sa immigration, then you will go to the final security check to see if you have prohibited items like yung mga deadly weapons or mga explosives, etc. or mga liquids na more than 100 ml. And then, after makalagpas sa X-ray, sa final security check, mag-proceed ka na sa boarding gate, which is usually naka-indicate na doon sa boarding pass mo, or to be sure, you should check the flight monitor kung saan ba yung boarding gate assignment mo. And pag boarding na, the staff will just ask for your passport and boarding pass, and then proceed ka na sa airplane, and then lipad ka na. That's it. See you again next time.